Assalamu alaikum little learners. Today we have done activity 5, activity of Wednesday 5th May 2020. These are simple mental math sums to be solved. They are very easy and very quick. All you need to be is solve them mentally. They don't require any kind of um, solution, or they don't require any kind of sum to be solved. First of all, you are having these fill in the blanks. As you can see over here, 5 fill in the blanks over here. There is a missing number over here, and you have to find out that missing number. We are going to solve these sums according to the rule number 1 of DMaths, in which I told you that either plus or minus or multiply or divide will come in the sum, or vice versa. Or if you are having more than 3 operations in a sum, then it will be solved through DMaths. So please keep in mind that whether the sum is having two solutions, two sums, um, um, two orders, two operations of numbers, or either you are having more than two. If you are having 3 or more than 3, then you are going to solve it with DMaths. Otherwise, you are going to apply the rule number 1, that is with the first operation will come first, and then will go on, will work on so on. Here the first sum is 4 multiplied by 5 minus dash equals to 12. Equals to 12 means कि whatever this expression is, the answer of this expression is 12. ठीक है, you have to solve it and you have to take out the answer 12. So it's very easy to solve it. If you're not having any number over here, what you can do is you can straight away by taking the number from your answer, you can solve it. Now we'll check that 4 multiplied by 5, the answer is 20. Now which number is over here? 20 minus dash equals to 12. What you will do, if you multiply 12 with 20, you will get the answer 8. And it's very easy. If you check that which number you are going to minus and take the answer 12, it's very simple. All right, if you feel it difficult, then you will, what you will do, whatever the answer coming over here on this side, you will simply minus that answer from there, and you will get your answer. 20 minus dash is 12. 20 minus 8 equals to 12, because if you 20 minus 12, if you do 20 minus 12, the answer will be 8, and if you do 20 minus 8, the answer will be 12. Now move to the next one. This, it's a DMaths sum, because it is having plus, minus and multiply, 3 operations over here. So first we are going to do multiply. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 9 plus 5 is, because after addition we are having subtraction, 9 plus 5 is 14, and then in the middle we are having minus. 14 minus 8, the answer is 6. Now for this sum, 5 divided by, we are going to check the divide first, and then we are going to multiply, because here the number is missing, so we are going to work with the rest of the number. 5 divided by 5, the answer is 1. Now which number multiply with 1 to get the answer? 10. Definitely 10 multiplied by 1 with 10 multiplied by 1 will give you the answer 10. Now the next number, here the sum is divided, the sum is having 3 operations in between the numbers, but the 3 operation in which minus the subtraction is using twicely, so we are going to solve it with a simple one, the rule number 1. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 minus 6 is 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. Okay, simply आप solve करते जाएं, you will get the answer. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 minus 6 is 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. Again the answer is 6. Now 6 plus dash minus 8 equals to give you answer 0. If you subtract 8 from 6, you will get the answer. 8 minus 6 is 2. 6 plus 2 is 8 minus 8 equals to give you answer 0. I told you earlier that whether when you are having such question, what you can simply do is you can subtract the numbers. Whatever the number is given to you, you can subtract the number to find out the hidden numbers. Now moving towards the next number, these are simply the solved one. With 2 digit, we are going to apply the rule number 1. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. 15 plus 8 is 23. ठीक है. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 8 plus 5 is, now it's DMaths, we'll multiply, add and subtract. Then 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 minus 9 is 16 minus 9 will give you the answer 9, 10, 11, 12, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 7. 7 is the answer. Next, now it's divide, multiply and plus. So we are going to divide it first, then we are going to multiply, and then we are going to plus, because D mass, divide, multiply and addition. 10 divided by 5 is 2, 2 multiplied by 6 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 17. It's very simple. कोई आपको इतना ज़्यादा वो कैलकुलेट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. With simple multiplication you can get the answer. Alright, 10 divided by 5 is 2, 2 multiplied by 6 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 17. Now it's rule number 1, we are going to minus it and then we are going to add it. 18 minus 4 is 14, and 14 plus 954 is, it's 968. Next is D mass again. Now we are going to multiply it. 8 multiplied by 3 is 24, 24 plus 4 is 28, 28 minus 20 is 8. Alright, it's very simple, very easy. You are simply going to mentally solve it. Again I'm going to tell you, 8 minus 3 is 24, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. Now 24 we are going to add 4, that will give you answer 28. Now we'll subtract the whole answer from 20. 28 minus 20 is 8. Now moving to this, whether the statements are true or false. They have given you a statement, the solution is not solved, but they have given you the answer. You have to tell whether the statement is true or false. Now 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 minus 6 is 4. That statement is true. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20, 20 minus 3 is 17. So the answer is wrong, as they have given you the answer 8. 49 divided by 7 is 7. If you read the table of 7 till 49, the answer will give you 7. 7 sevens are 49. 7 plus 10 is 17. This is also true. Okay, next sum is, it's having 3 operations in it. Divide, multiply, and then we are going to subtract it. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 multiplied by 4 is 20. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Now 54 minus 8 is 46. True है ये भी. ठीक है, अगेन मैं आपको यहाँ सॉल्व करके दिखा देती हूँ. It's 54 minus 4 multiplied by 10 divided by 5. Now 10 divided by 5 will give you 2, multiplied by 4 minus 54. 2 4s are 8. 54 minus 8 will give you answer 46. So it's true. Now 3 multiplied by 2 plus 5 and 3. Now multiply, add and subtract. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. The answer is 9. They have given you the answer 9. So this is wrong. Alright, this is how you are going to solve it. You have having a space over here. If you want to solve it over here, you can also do that. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.